Okay guys, just a quick video. If you are using the Drone Hacks tool, then you really need to get to the site and follow this little message where it says you must re-register. If you register before June 10th, 2024, that means probably, well, 100% of you, unless you've just recently taken on Drone Hacks, you really need to get to the site. The reason being is there's been a bit of a change in the way the system works, and you've got until December 2025. Now, the reason why I'm telling you this, even though you've probably still got 18 months left, is because most of you probably never actually visit the site. And if you then have a license for your quad, it's going to expire basically in December 2025 if you don't go to this page and sign back up using the same email address that you did previously. There's a little bit of a process involved where it will ask you to sign back in with your email address and then verify you want to change to the new site, etc. Export all your details. So if you don't want to lose your Drone Hacks license by December 2025, please get to the site and get things sorted.